Very good morning, students. Today is the third explanation of this chapter, that is Shot in the Dark. In the first day of explanation, I started from here till here, magazine. Second day explanation from here till Samptons. Today, I am going to explain you from here to here. Okay, students, and tomorrow I will explain you from here to here. So, you all have to read the chapter very well and listen my video very carefully from starting till end. Okay, if you have any confusion, and if you have any problem, you can ask me. The difficult hard words and any single line you want to know the meaning of that, you can ask me. Okay, so students, I explained you yesterday that Bertie didn't want to give a penny, a pound to that person. Why? Because Philip Slitherby don't want to give that pound to Bertie, because he is not confirmed that Bertie is the second son of Mrs. Salton Jagos or not, because his crest, his hair color, his features did not match with Mrs. Salton Jago. So, what about next? What he wanted to do with Bertie, or you can tell also that what he thinks about Bertie, that is he the really second son of Mrs. Salton Jago, or he is doing uh, any create any nuisance between them. So Bertie told about the crest when Philip Slitherby asked about crest. What is crest, students? Crest is a design used as a symbol for a particular family. Okay, that means it's a symbol. It's a single symbol which we can recognize that he or she may be from the belongs to the same family. Okay, students. So when Bertie told about the crest, but Slitherby did not believe. Then what Slitherby asked the another question to Bertie, that do your mother look like you? This is the second question of Philip Slitherby to Bertie, that do your mother look like you? Bertie said, yes, she had the same dark brown hair. It runs in her family. Then Bertie said, you forget, give me 3 quid. Slitherby said he had no intention of giving him £3. Why so? Because his hair is not dark brown. Whose hair? Bertie's hair. It's fair or yellow blonde. Blonde means, students, what do you understand by the word blonde? Blonde is a yellowish golden color. Okay, students, blonde means yellowish golden color. So he thought that his hair is not dark brown like Mrs. Salton Jago. His hair is fair or yellow blonde hair. Now Bertie, get down. After some time, train stopped, and Philip Slitherby was welcomed by a tall man who was an American lawyer who also travelled by the same train in which Philip Slitherbye was travelling. They were saying for playing golf. Okay, you can got the word golf in in these paragraphs. Okay, students. So they were saying for playing golf. They were traveling on a cart, which was nice looking car, diligent, locomotive power, enormous wheel structure. Other was a luxurious car. And Philip Slitherbye feels very glad that wow, what a car, what a enormous and luxurious car in which I am traveling with this fellow tall man. I didn't know him, but he know me, and he also know that Mrs. Salton Jago invited Philip Slitherbye to attend the party in Brill Manor. So, students, what is Salton's crest? You know, I think you all read the word demi-lion. Huh? You know, lion, demi-lion. That is a symbol of lion. Okay, it is a symbol of crest. So, what is Salton's crest, students? It is a demi-lion with crosslet and running greyhound. Some of the students in other sections ask me what is greyhound. Hound means, students, an enormous, large, or you can say big dog. Okay, and grey means grey in color. So, what is the crest? You all know it is a symbol for a particular family. It is a design of a symbol for a particular family. And what is the Salton's crest? That is demi-lion with crosslet and running greyhound. Okay, and some answers, some queries I think you all have in your mind, that who is Bertie? Huh? So your answer will be Bertie is the railway companion of Mr. P. Slitherbye, and he is the second son of Mrs. Salton Jago. This is your students' complete answer. Okay, and if in your mind the question arises that what is the crest design, so it is a design used as a symbol for a particular family. And what is the Salton's crest? It is a demi-lion with crosslet and running greyhound. Okay, students. So these are some typical questions. I think that you all have facing it while reading this chapter. So if you have any queries now also, you can ask me. Okay, so go through the chapter of all 3 days and listen the video collectively. Okay, students, and if you have any problem, you can ask me. If you have any problem with a single word, you can ask me. Okay, students, thank you, class.